Next is reproduction in plants. In plants, the flowers contain the organs of sexual reproduction. The gametes, which are the pollen, the male gamete, and the egg cells, the female gametes, are produced using meiosis. The pollen, which is the male gamete from one flower, must reach the female parts of another flower, and this process is called pollination. It is the plant equivalent of mating. Flowers are adapted to either attract animal pollinators like insects, birds, or bats, which are animals that carry pollen on their bodies from flowers to other flowers, or flowers are adapted to make it easy for the pollen to be carried by the wind and caught by another flower, like for example being open for the wind to reach the pollen and carry it, or for example being very colorful to attract the animals. This is what we mean by adaptations. Once the pollen has fused with the egg cell, once fertilization occurs, seeds are formed. Sexual reproduction introduces variation and enables plants to survive as conditions change through natural selection. Many plants can also reproduce asexually. A new plant grows as a result of specially directed mitosis. Examples include the tiny new plants that form on the end of specialized stems called runners. Examples are strawberry plants and spider plants. Asexual reproduction means that the new plants are formed even if the flowers are destroyed by frost, or if they are eaten, or if they fail to be pollinated. The main disadvantage is that the new plants are identical to the parents and no variation is introduced.